What makes a great free tool for learning technical skills?
Great free learning tool offers high-quality content, covers in-demand skills, and is easy to use. Look for resources with clear tutorials, practical exercises, and up-to-date topics such as coding, data analysis, or design. Community support, certifications, and mobile access are bonuses. Free tools should help you build real-world skills that employers value.
Where can you learn coding and programming for free?
Some of the best places to learn coding for free include Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy. These sites offer interactive lessons in languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML. Free Code Camp also provides hands-on projects and certifications. For structured computer science courses, Harvard's CS50 is available on edX at no cost.
How can you develop data analysis and Excel skills at no cost?
To learn data analysis, try Coursera's free audit options, Google's data analytics certificate content, or DataCamp's free lessons. For Excel, Microsoft's Learn platform and Excel Exposure provide free tutorials. Kaggle offers real datasets and fun competitions to apply what you learn. Combining these resources builds both foundational and practical skills.
What free tools teach design and digital creativity?
Canva Design School, Adobe Creative Cloud tutorials, and YouTube channels like The Future offer free resources for graphic design and digital creativity. Canva provides hands-on lessons for beginners, while Adobe's free guides cover tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. Learning design principles and software skills can help you express ideas visually and professionally.
Are there free platforms for learning cybersecurity and IT skills?
Yes, try Cybersecurity, Cisco Networking Academy, and Google Cybersecurity content for free IT and security training. These platforms offer beginner to intermediate cybersecurity modules, networking basics, and hands-on labs. They help you develop practical, job-ready skills in one of the fastest-growing tech sectors.
How do you stay motivated when learning online for free?
Set clear goals. Track your progress and connect with online communities. Break learning into small steps, complete challenges or projects, and celebrate milestones. Join forums like Stack Overflow or Discord groups related to your skill. Consistency and social support are key to making the most of free online technical learning tools.